In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a status on WhatsApp Web using your laptop or PC. First, make sure you're using a modern web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and that your WhatsApp is already installed and active on your phone. WhatsApp Web works by mirroring your phone, so your phone needs to be turned on and connected to the internet the whole time. On your laptop or PC, open your browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. You'll see a large QR code on the screen. Now, pick up your phone, open WhatsApp, and tap the menu or settings icon. Look for the option labeled Linked Devices or WhatsApp Web. Tap that, then choose the option to link a new device. Your camera will open. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen and hold it steady for a moment. Once it scans successfully, your chats will load on the laptop, and you're now using WhatsApp Web. Next, let's navigate to the Status section. On the left-hand side of WhatsApp Web, you'll see three main icons: Chats, Status, and Calls. Click on the Status icon, which usually looks like a small circle. This will open the Status panel, where you can see your contacts' updates and, more importantly, create your own. To upload your status, look for the option that says something like My Status or a camera, and plus sign near the top of the status panel. Click it. A file picker window will pop up from your computer. From here, you can choose a photo or video stored on your laptop. Browse to the folder where your media is saved. Select the file you want to upload and click Open. WhatsApp Web will now show you a preview of your status. Take a moment to check that the image or video looks the way you want. You can add a short caption in the text box at the bottom to give context or a quick message. Keep in mind that WhatsApp statuses disappear after 24 hours, and videos may have a length limit, so shorter clips work best. When you're happy with everything, click the Send or Upload button. Your status will be posted and visible to your contacts, just like when you upload from your phone. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully uploaded a WhatsApp status directly from your laptop or PC using WhatsApp Web.